channel. I'm back with my another video of parts of speech, and I have already discussed two parts of speech. One is noun and another is adjective, and today I have come with a video of adverb, and along with that I will discuss its kinds also. What we will discuss in this video, I will tell you what is an adverb, its definition, its kinds along with the examples, and I will also tell you what is the difference between adjective and adverb, because most of the students they get confused in it, right? And then a test, objective type test, which you will get at the end of the video. Alright guys, so let's start with what is an adverb. If you look at adverb, right, look at this verb, adverb. From this word we come to know that it is directly associated with the verb. Alright guys, and adverbs are used commonly in our day-to-day life along with the nouns, pronouns and adjectives in our communication. So what is an adverb? It is, we can say that it is associated with verb. Associated with verb, and it can also be said in this way, it modifies. What modifies? It modifies the meaning of a verb, right? Then adjective and another verb. I will explain it with example, then it will be more clear to you. Alright guys, so it is associated with verb. We can also say that it tells us the quality of a verb, right? Then it modifies not only the meaning of the verb, adjective and another verb also. I will show you one line. Alright, the example I am going to write here. The lion runs slowly. If you can see here, I have shown you a line, right? And you can look at the speed of the line. It runs, or he runs very slowly. Alright guys, and the second example I can give you, right? Just listen. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. So what you can say? She sings how? She sings how? How? She sings sweetly. Right? If you look at this, slowly. Slowly is not associated with the line. It is not the quality of the line. It is the quality of the, or it is defining this verb. How does the lion run? Lion runs slowly. Okay. How does the girl sing? She sings sweetly. I will give you another example also. The child weeps loudly. So, how does the child weep? One more example I will give you. He drove slowly. Right? You can say that how does he drive? He drive or he drove slowly. Then I will tell you all these are associated with the verb. They are modifying the meaning of the verb because they are directly connected with this verb. How does it modifies an adjective? I will give you another example. Now I will clarify you how it modifies an adjective. So I will explain with an example, right? She drove a very fast car, right? Very. If we underline here, very, right? So question, what question comes? How fast was her car? Very fast. Then I have also told you one more thing. Modifies another verb, right? So let's discuss the example. She moved quite slowly down in the aisle. So the question comes, how slowly did she move? Quite. So this word is modifying the another verb, right? Then adverbs often tell us about when, where, why and under what condition something happened or happens. This is the definition, and this is what we can say that this is an adverb, right? So if we talk in Hindi, adverb होता क्या है? Adverb आपको वर्ब जिसको हम हिंदी में क्रिया कहते हैं, क्रिया की क्वालिटी के बारे में बताता है, क्रिया को मॉडिफाई करता है, उसकी क्वालिटी को मॉडिफाई करके आपको बताता है, राइट? इट इज, इफ यू कैन से दैट इट इज एसोसिएटेड विद द वर्ब, ये क्रिया से संबंधित होता है. ऑलराइट गाइस, नाउ आई विल डिस्कस द काइंड्स ऑफ एडवर्ब. Let's discuss the kinds of adverb. Alright, so the first kind is time, second frequency, place, manner, degree, or you can also say quantity, and one more I have added here, the purpose. Alright, so first if we talk about time, daily, never, this is a negative one also. Frequency, twice, thrice, often, seldom. If we talk about place, out, in, everywhere, right? Manner, bravely, slowly, beautifully, quantity or degree, fully, so, to, right? Purpose, I will give the example, then it will be clear to you. Alright, so if I have written some example, she tries to get back before, underline this before, and this word tells you here what adverb is used, what kind is used, time. Alright, second, I have written twice, frequency, or I have written one more example, he seldom visits here, seldom, right? The third, God is present everywhere, it tells you the answer of place. Our soldiers fought bravely, right? This is a manner. I am so glad, this is the degree. And if we talk about the purpose, right? She drives her boat slowly to avoid hitting the rocks. Underline this, to avoid hitting the rocks. This is a purpose why I am driving slowly. Alright guys, so in the end I would like to say you that adverbs, it tell you about when, where, right? It also tell you about under what conditions something happened, right? And now I will tell you the difference between adverb and adjective. Alright guys? Hey guys, let's understand the difference between adverb and adjective also, because whenever in the competitive exams or when you are preparing for Olympiads and when you are taking the test of Olympiads of English, right, filling the blanks are given, there are so many confusing words are given and it is really difficult to you to recognize in this sentence it is used as a adverb or it is used as an adjective, right? So first you should understand the difference. Adjective, it only modifies a noun and pronoun. It tells you the quality of a noun or pronoun. And if we talk about adverbs, it tells you or it modifies the meaning of adjective, verb and another verb, right? Examples are already discussed in the video, alright? So now with the example, let's understand it. If I say she is a beautiful girl, beautiful, it is the quality of the girl, so that's why here beautiful is used as an adjective, right? When I am saying that she dressed up beautifully, right, but this beautifully is associated with the sense of her dressing sense, alright? So another example I have also written, our soldiers are brave. This is a quality of my soldiers, that they are brave. Here it is an adjective. So when I am saying that our soldiers fought bravely, so this bravely is directly associated with how did they fight. They fought bravely. I hope the difference you must have understood. Alright, that's end of the video. Hey guys, I have also posted one exercise for you, right? It's an objective type exercise. Do it, right? And in my next video I will share the answers of the exercise which I am going to give you at the end of my video. Hey guys, thank you for watching my video. Like my video and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon so that you get the notification of my next video. Till now, bye bye and have a cheerful day.